guys, Migs here, and in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So on the bench in front of me I have a muffler, a Flowmaster Super 10, jack stands, a Sawzall, and also some ramps over there. So I've been planning this video for like the past month or two, but I just haven't been able to do it because I never had a set of ramps. So as you guys know, my truck is a Chevy S10, and I worked on it in a video a little bit back, just a little bit, putting on a new belt and everything, but as you guys heard, it's pretty quiet. So if some of you just put two and two together, I'm going to be taking off the old muffler and putting on a new Flowmaster Super 10. So this is basically like a slip-on muffler for cars, and should hopefully give it just a little bit louder of a tone. Like I don't want it to be too loud, but I want to be able to hear the car when I drive it. Let's take it out of here. So for now I'm just going to be using an exhaust clamp on it. But here it is. It's a pretty small muffler. This used to be Flowmaster's actually most aggressive muffler until the Outlaw came out, but it should be pretty good sounding. And then once I do that, I do want to try and do a side pipe exhaust, like coming out the side. Here's a picture of what I'm kind of aiming for. I think that'll be pretty cool. Guys, let's get this started. Let's put the S10 on the ramps, and hopefully everything goes okay. So I have the truck securely up onto the ramps, and since I do not have wheel chocks, I decided to lift up and put this probably about 70-pound piece of concrete in front of the front wheels. If anything, if this thing started to slide down, so that would definitely not go anywhere. But if we go onto the car, the muffler is right there. It's pretty big, so I need to get under here with the Sawzall and cut off right before the muffler. And then hopefully I should just be able to shimmy out the rest of the exhaust off of the hangers without needing to cut anything else. And now the jack stands are also under there. If anything were to happen with the ramp at all, the jack stands will catch the truck. Alright guys, so now I just need to run an extension cable out to the truck so I can plug in the Sawzall. I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to record cutting that off just because it's super tight under there, how it is. So I'm just going to try and cut it off real quick. I don't have that great of blades, but we will just see how it comes out. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I just finished cutting off the muffler. So now I just need to go ahead and take the rest of it off of the hangers, and then hopefully we'll be able to maneuver the rest of the piping out. So guys, I'm currently under the S10 obviously, and the little hangers, the hanger's right up there. I need the special pliers to get them out because I can't get them out with a hammer or just a regular set of pliers. So I'm gonna go ahead to Advanced Auto Parts quick because they have it, and then hopefully that'll take that out. I'm also looking for piping there, so I could try and get that side pipe type of style. So I just got back from Advanced Auto Parts, got the little plier tool. So I just want to try it out on this hanger, and then the two up there, and then the exhaust should be able to come out. But the sun is beginning to set, so I'm just going to try and go ahead and just get this done before the sun goes down, and then tomorrow we can go ahead and put on the muffler. So I just finished getting out all of the hangers, so now I just need to maneuver the exhaust out from under the car, and then we should be good for today. So guys, I am back in the shed, and that is because it is almost completely dark outside, and the exhaust isn't completely done being maneuvered out yet. It just got too dark, I really can't see. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it out tomorrow, along with, hopefully, if everything goes right, the entire muffler put on. But while it's like basically straight pipe right now, just with the cats and resonators, so just without the muffler, I do want to see what it sounds like quick. It's probably not going to sound that great just because it is a V6 and not a V8, but I am curious to see what it would be like. That sounds actually really good. That actually sounds pretty good. Wow, that actually sounds way better than I thought it was going to sound. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. So guys, it is the next day, and as you guys can see, I have my safety goggles on, and that's because I just finished taking out the rest of the exhaust. I didn't bother recording it because there's nothing really much to see, but I did end up needing to cut up the rest of the pipe from the muffler to get it out, which is fine, you know. For whatever reason, I wanted to keep it all as one, but I don't really know why. So here is all the excess piping, and then right here, as you guys can see, this was actually the first cut that I did that attached to the muffler, but this is how it was, and this hanger was way too close, and obviously the muffler cannot slip onto that. So I just cut it out, and I took the risk of it drooping. But luckily, here's the pipe, and there's the end. It does not droop down at all. It is super sturdy, which I really lucked out about. But now all I need to do is put on the muffler, tighten it down, and then I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get the whole slide pipe coming out right there done today. We're just gonna have to see. But first, let's just, you know, get this muffler on there and see how it works. So guys, it is super tight under here, but I just tightened down these two nuts as hard as I possibly can, and this thing is super sturdy. I mean, it's not even moving. Ugh. So the exhaust is basically done. I still need to do the side pipe and everything, but for now, it is done, and I guess we could take it off the ramps and test it out. Here we go. I am super excited. I am super excited. Holy cow. This is way louder than the straight pipe. I want to get the side pipe because this thing has a lot of condensation, and it looks like it's like on fire right now. And also I don't like all that condensation, you know, going all over the frame and everything under there. So I'm definitely gonna try and find pipes that'll go out. They'll probably go out like right about here. But now let's go ahead and take it off the ramps and let this thing sit down finally. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna take it for a little spin, just up and down the block quick, and just make sure it doesn't fall out, and I'll see how it is while driving. Alright, so right now it sounds pretty good. That check engine light is has been on there for a while, so it's not that. It sounds pretty good right now. I don't hear any rattling at all. It sounds really good. I'm super happy right now. It feels like a completely different truck. So now let's just take a peek under it, make sure it's still on there, which it is. So that is good. So probably when the truck cools down, I'm probably just gonna go under there and just wiggle it, make sure it's not coming loose at all. But just from looking at it now, it looks pretty good. But it sounds mean. It does drone a lot, which I don't mind. I like to hear the truck while I'm driving it. Hopefully the neighbors don't get angry because that is actually really, really loud. And then I do want to go ahead and try and do that side pipe because as you guys saw, all that condensation and everything is going under the truck and it's coming out from all different directions and it doesn't look good at all. And I don't want all that condensation, all of that to be under there. But we'll get that side pipe done in no time. And I might also get the muffler and everything welded up just to ensure that it won't fall off. But anyway guys, I'm going to be ending the video here. Let me know how you guys like truck content. I don't mind making it at all. Follow my social medias. They will be on the outro of this video. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.